Hello everyone, welcome and thanks for watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I will show you how to fix there was an error while saving video or photo on iPhone after iOS update. Before start please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's start. Solution number 1. Turn off iCloud photos. For that, launch setting, tap on your profile name, tap on iCloud and tap Photos, turn off. OK to confirm. Once you turn off, try to save the video or photo. If they saved, then no problem. If you get this error again, turn on iCloud photo and restart your iPhone. Solution number 2. Reset all setting. When you do reset all setting, all your customized setting will go back to default setting and data or media will not be deleted. For that, launch setting, tap on general, then tap reset all setting, put your passcode and tap again reset all setting to confirm your action. Solution number 3. Check for software update. Open setting, connect to Wi-Fi, then go to general and tap software update and update your iPhone if available. Solution number 4. Force restart iPhone by pressing home button and the power button at the same time until you see the Apple logo, and also depend on your iPhone model. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.